Hi everyone! Welcome to Straight Out Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I'll show you how to make sprouted brown rice. It's an easy process you can do at home, and the benefits are amazing. Sprouted brown rice is higher in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and it's easier to digest than regular brown rice. Alright, let's get started. First, wash the brown rice lightly. After washed, soak the rice in water or lukewarm water about 30 degrees for 24 hours. Just loosely covering it to keep the dust away but still let air in. Here are the key points. After 12 hours, change the water, but when in summer, it's very hot, so please change the water every 3 or 4 hours. You can keep it in the fridge, but still need to change the water a few times. You can see bubbles forming after about a day. That means the rice is alive and starting to ferment. You might even notice a slightly sour smell. That's completely normal. Now lightly wash the brown rice and drain using a colander. Cover the rice with a wet paper towel and leave at room temperature for half a day. Look at this, the brown rice is actually sprouting. It's okay if not all of them sprout, as long as about 1 in 10 does, that's good enough. Now let's cook the rice. At this point, the rice has been soaking for a while, so just use a little less water than usual when you cook. Adding a pinch of salt is said to help reduce the natural smell of brown rice. It's done! Looks so good! And look, there are crab holes. That means it's cooked just right. Let's serve it up! Since I started eating sprouted brown rice, my digestion's gotten so much better. I totally recommended it, so give it a go!
いただきます。
Thank you for watching. I'm so happy to say now I have over 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate everyone who's been watching and supporting this channel. I'll keep making good videos step by step, so please stay tuned. ほなまたね。